And I forgot to honk the horn. I can't believe that. So here we go, boys. So this little thingy right here, my Lonnie's satellite radio, sounds like a train. Listen. Here comes the train! Yeah, I can't believe I forgot that. But anyways, here's the train again. There we go. So who's this we're gonna pass? Oh, I'm Jason. He's nice. Nice dude. Anyways, he's not one of our trucks. Oh, here comes a pheasant. We about pegged him. Oh, that's the closest I've ever come to hitting a pheasant. Got it on camera. Isn't that cool? Anyways, I don't think of anything else. There's all these old barns up here. I don't know. Yeah, there's a bunch of drills out here, but I don't even know if yeah, they're everywhere. You can't really focus on them. Anyways, we'll see you guys.